Hi there. Today we are whisking you away on the ultimate romantic day trip from London to the historic charm of Canterbury. With the high speed Southeastern Railway, it's just a quick 55-minute journey. No car needed, just sit back, relax, and let the adventure begin. As we stroll, one of the first things that catches our eye is an incredible art installation by Jason Taylor. He describes it as a response to the river's flow, a reflection of its endless motion and the unseen barrier of water, like being trapped behind a window. Mesmerizing and thought provoking. This is called a river punt trip, a flat bottom boat propelled by a punter using a pole to glide forward. At first glance, it seems unremarkable, but we were in for a thrilling surprise. Join us as we take you on this virtual river cruise and discover the magic together. Listen closely. Nature's symphony surrounds us. Ducks, swans, seagulls, and the little ones fill the air with life and melody. The scent is enchanting. A cool breeze carries the fragrance of the blooming flowers and fresh green trees. It's like stepping into a living masterpiece. This is no ordinary place. This is the Garden of England. We drifted through serene gardens and the countryside, surrounded by the abundant wildlife. A cheerful, knowledgeable boatman spoke only when asked, letting us fully immerse in the peaceful beauty around us. The crystal clear waters were pristine, free of any litter, and the absence of houses, structures, or any crowds made it feel like pure seclusion. It was a surprising and deeply refreshing connection to the nature, far beyond what we had expected when we started. Overall, the Punt cruise was the cherry on the cake. And the rest of the cake, you ask? The High Street. It was lined with charming shops. Some were family run, others multinational. But there were French bakeries, there were cozy cafes, and even a Primark. The diverse food options were amazing, thanks to the University of Kent and the other colleges nearby and the global student crowd. We enjoyed some incredible snacks and meals. Check the description for our recommendations. Finally, the total cost of our day trip came to around £213 for two of us. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse of our quaint adventure, and if you do visit, let us know. Goodbye for now.